Hello students, Namaste. This is your data representation part 5 in which we will understand how to convert decimal to hexa conversion and hexa to decimal conversion. Okay, so try to give your attention here. So decimal to hexadecimal conversion is a decimal number can be converted to hexa by using same method as we have used in decimal to binary conversion, but with a division factor of 16 instead of 2. So you know that when we were converting decimal to binary, we were using uh, division factor as 2. So we were dividing by 2, or when we were converting decimal number to octal, we were dividing the decimal number by 8. So here in hexa, we will divide by 16 because hexadecimal has 16 radix or base. Okay, so we will see here example, convert 59 base 10, that is decimal number, to its hexadecimal number. Now see 16, so just see here, we have written 59, that is your decimal number. We will divide this 59, we will divide it 59 by 16, so it will divide it by so your quotient will come 3. Write 3 here and remainder here, and because you know that hexadecimal number 10 represent as A and 11 represent as B, 12 represent as C, and so on, 15 represent as F. So we have written here B in front of 11. So now this 3, that is quotient, should be divided by 16. So if we divide 3 by 16, so it will not divide it, so that is means 0 time. So write there 0 here, quotient as, and remainder, this one should be written here 3 like this. So, and after this you just write down your answer from MSB to LSB, means lower to upwards. So your answer is 3B base 16, this one. Understood? So this is the method to convert your decimal number to hexadecimal number. Now one more example, convert 423 base 10, that is decimal number, to its hexadecimal equivalent. Now see here, again if we divide 423 by 16, your quotient is 26. So write your quotient here and remainder is 7. Then this 26 should be divided again by 16, and the quotient will come 1, and remainder is your 10, and 10 represent as A. We should write like this way. Now 1 is divided by 16, cannot divide, so 0 time, remainder is 1, so quotient is 0, write this 0 and remainder here, and write your answer from MSB to LSB. So 1A 7 is your answer. Or you can say that 423 base 10 means decimal number is equivalent to 1AC hexadecimal number. It is clear now? So this is the way how to convert your decimal number to hexadecimal number. Now see, decimal fraction to hexa conversion. To convert decimal fraction into hexa, multiply the decimal fraction by the base 16 and write all the numbers which are at the left side of the decimal point from top to bottom. Now just see the example, convert 0.03125 base 10 to hexa. This is your fractional part. So you have to multiply this fractional part by 16 as we were multiplying by 2 in binary. So you will get this result. So you have to take this 0. Again multiply this number which has come here and multiply by 16. So your answer will come like this way, and you take this 8 and write from top to bottom. Okay, so stop multiply when you get 0 0 in result of multiplication. So your answer is 0.08, and you can say that 0.03125 base 10 decimal number is equivalent to 0.08 in hexadecimal number. So you can see now more hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Now we have got hexadecimal number and we have to convert that in decimal equivalent. So convert 732 base 16, that is hexadecimal number, to its decimal equivalent. So you have to write like the same way. Method is same, where we are writing the 2 in case of binary. Here you can see in binary we are writing 2, in case of octal we are writing 8, and in case of hexa we will write 16. So now 732, so write this 2 here and into 16 raised to the power 1, always start from 1, 16 raised to the power 1 is 1, into 2 is 2. Now 3 is here, 3 into 16 raised to the power 1, just increase the power of 16 by 1, so it is 1, 16 into 3, 48, write there 48. Now 7, write there 7, and 7 into 16 raised to the power 2 is equal to 1792, and just make it total and you will get the answer 1842 base 10. So it is converted into decimal. So example, now fractional part, convert 24.08 base 16 to its decimal equivalent. Now see, to this part, in this part 24 you had to convert first, and after that convert your fractional part. So 24, so write there 4 here and into 16 raised to the power 0. Okay, so 16 into that is 1, so it is answer is 4. So 2 into 16 raised to the power 1, write this 2 here, into 16 raised to the power 1, so 16 into 2, 32. So your total is 36. So answer is your 36. Now convert fractional part. So fractional part, that is 0.08. So 0 is each digit you have to solve. So 0 into 16 minus 16 raised to the power minus 1, that will be 0. Okay, plus 8 into 16 minus 2, so it is 0, plus 8 divided by 256, that is your answer 0.03125. So your answer is 20 plus 0.03125 is, and final result is 20.03125 base 10, that is decimal number. It is clear now. So like this way you have to convert your numbers. So this is the end of this lesson. Try to understand and make and convert some questions from your book, or you can write your own numbers and convert them. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Bye bye.